Hi guys, and welcome to Takeout Presents. If it is your first time here, welcome, welcome. If you have been here before, welcome back. Listen, today we're going to get into this recipe for these crispy, golden delicious chicken egg rolls. Yep, you can make chicken egg rolls, you can make shrimp egg rolls, you can make whatever kind of egg rolls you want right at home, and they're going to come out crispy and delicious. If you want to see how we make these, just stick around. Alright, so here are the ingredients we are going to need. We have ground chicken, 1 pound of ground chicken. We have egg roll wraps, and then we have this broccoli slaw mix. It's like a tricolor rainbow slaw mix. You can use regular coleslaw mix if you want. You really just want cabbage and carrots and, you know, that good stuff. Right, so we have sesame oil, we have black pepper, salt, we have ground ginger, and garlic powder. Now, you can use fresh garlic instead of garlic powder. You can use ginger paste if you want instead of ginger. But I do not have soy sauce there, and you need soy sauce. Alright, so we're going to start off by just browning our chicken, or cooking our chicken. Season your chicken, salt, pepper, garlic powder. If you're going to use ginger paste, you would put the ginger paste in before you put in the chicken. Cook it down a little bit and then add in your chicken. Start to cook that up and then add the other seasonings, okay? Salt, pepper, garlic powder, and then you're just gonna let that cook. So after you drain your meat, you are going to return it to the stove. Have your flame on a low medium heat. You don't want it to be very high. You're going to add in your slaw mix, and then this is where you're going to start layering in your flavor. So you're going to add in your ground ginger, you're going to add in your soy sauce, you're going to add in your sesame oil, you're going to also add in salt and pepper if you need more salt and pepper. The only way you're going to ensure that your filling is the exact way that you want it is if you taste it. So you see me kind of, letting it cook down a little bit and then tasting it as well. So you want to sweat your veggies. You don't want them to be cooked all the way through. You want them to have a little bit of bite to them, and it's only probably 3-5 minutes, something like that. Alright, so you're going to get ready, set your filling off to the side and allow it to cool, right? And then we're going to set up our little station. I usually put a little bit of foil down. You can use flour and do it on your countertop. But probably the best way would be to get a little cookie sheet, do a piece of foil, and then you're going to start to assemble. In that white bowl is about 2 tablespoons of flour and a bit of water to make a paste so that you can seal your egg rolls closed. Now you want the point facing you, so you're going to just turn it off to the side a little bit so that you can fill them. I would put about 2 to 3 tablespoons of filling in each. And then you just kind of tuck and roll. It's not the best angle, but I'm going to do a few so that you can see. Right? And to make sure that you have a good roll and they're not going to fall apart, you'll see me kind of put them together, roll them up, and then just kind of let it roll. Let it loose, and it's not going to unravel. That's how you know you have a really good seal. So I'm not sure how many egg roll wrappers come in the pack. It depends on what brand, what pack you buy. But you should make maybe, I'd say about 10 to 12, I don't know, 16 rolls. Now you can double the rolls if you want. Sometimes you grab 2 and you don't know, but it just makes the crust a little bit thicker. Of course, that's your preference, but if you happen to grab 2, trust me, it's not going to be a problem. Alright, so you're going to get your vegetable oil. You want to bring it up to temp, 375, I would say. I don't know, maybe 400 degrees. Hot enough to fry. When you drop it in a pan, it's going to sizzle. Okay? So with these egg rolls, typically when you're frying, you don't want to disturb what you're making. But with these egg rolls, look, you have to make sure that you're moving them around so the wrappers don't burn. Okay, so you're going to be constantly kind of rolling them around and making sure that they get golden brown on all sides. Do not have your fire up too high, but you don't want it too low. Drop the fork in there. You don't want it too low either. Okay, so you want to get them a nice, crispy, golden brown. Alright, so you're going to keep frying these up in batches, depending on how big your pan is, 3 or 4 at a time, till they get crispy and golden brown. Make sure you keep moving them around so they don't burn. Like I said before, if you have a deep fryer or an air fryer, do your thing. And just follow the directions, I don't know, for egg rolls. Using whatever it is that you're going to use. Alright, so here they are when they are done. Nice, golden brown, crispy, delicious. And they taste great too. That's the best part. So it's not difficult to make something good like this at home. You can customize them. You can add shrimp in there. You can do all veggie. You know, serve them up with some sweet chili sauce or some duck sauce. And enjoy. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you make these, come back and let me know how they turned out for you. Like this video, comment, subscribe, share, and I will see you all again next time. Take care.